Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing well. I wanted to go over some things that we have due this week. If you go to our VHL text, please do note that my name is on the VHL is under Stephanie Brock, not under Gonzalez. It is under my maiden name. So if we go to our assignment calendar, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger just so I can make sure everyone is able to see it. We don't have anything due until this coming Sunday. Remember that they're all due Sunday by midnight Arizona time. And this just goes through the different activities that we have. And we don't have partner chats until the following weekend. So this weekend, the only thing that you have due are the VHL activities. Yesterday, we had to finish the syllabus quiz as well as the intro videos. Okay, so these are the different activities that you will be completing for this weekend. If you look here, it shows that it comes from lesson 6 and lesson 7. Let me see. Typically, it usually gives you an estimated amount of time, but you should expect to spend a few hours on this. So make sure that you're starting it ahead of time because it may take you 2 to 3 hours. So if you just start at 11 p.m. on Sunday, you're not going to be able to finish with enough time before the due date. Okay, so that is on our VHL course. And on our D2L homepage, be looking out for your grades to the intro videos tomorrow. I'll be posting those. And upcoming, oh no, I just got out of it, important due dates. Soon we will have our first presentation, and I'm going to be posting information about that, a separate video as well this week that discusses what is expected of you. Okay, and as you can see, it's not due until the 16th of September, but in order for you guys to start start working on it, I'm going to post the information that you need to complete that activity. So that's about it for this week. A couple of things that I do want to make sure that you guys are all aware of, and this is from the syllabus. Okay. Here we go. The student-instructor interactions. You must watch all the videos for the week. Make sure that you're watching them. This is part of the instruction. It's where all the necessary information is reviewed. Here on our syllabus, it also says that the instructors have 24 hours to answer emails Monday through Friday. Instructors are not required to answer emails Saturday and Sundays. Please make sure that you're looking over your assignments before the weekend so you can ask any questions that you might have. And as well, this is how you should be structuring your emails. So you'll write to me, estimada profesora, because I'm a woman. If I was a man, you would say estimado profesor. Then your message in English, followed by atentamente and your name. Okay, so those are things that you guys need to be using consistently. And I will be using those as well to respond to you when you send emails. So just make sure that everyone is aware of that. And then if you guys have any questions about the virtual textbook, please let me know. I know a couple of you guys were having issues figuring out which ISBN number, but if you go to our course home, I did review it in our online textbook video here. So I hope everyone has a great week, and please be checking back on D2L this week to see the new videos and as the videos for the presentation and as well grades for last week's assignment.